Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is Blackout Roller Windows Cover. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. Brand name is ZSHINE. First of all, we can see where I'm purchasing this product and what is the price. So I'm ordered this product from this URL. The product price is 974 Danish krona. This is the black curtain. Here different variety color is also available. Which color you like? They are selling bunch of different colors and quality as well. I already added this product link in video description. Now we can see which types of product we are receiving and how I fix this product for my window. So let's see. Yesterday I just normally opened this box. I'm receiving this packaging is much impressive like this, and they are providing here inside monitoring screw templates, so that would be helpful for you to fix this one. So you can very easily control from this one via remote as well. So look at this here, really impressive quality. For the power point of view, here they are providing USB and C cable, so accordingly you should connect in the power, and afterwards you can access via remote as well. So I just simply open this one. Is inside this box we are receiving one remote as well. For this remote, here the battery they are providing. You just simply remove this one, put it the battery as well like this. It's very easy. Now I will show you how I fix this one to my window. So look at this final outcome. Using this remote you can control this one, and speciality of this product is inbuilt power is also available, so you can charge and use multiple time as well. So as a demo point of view I just put it here, but you can decide as a Windows dimension and accordingly fix this one. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.